Welcome back. We're in conversation with the wonderful Gauri Khan.
Now you all are an ideal couple. But today, how do you perceive yourselves?
Actually, I would say our relationship has, been over so many years. It's also we've grown up together. Married young, and then he started working. He's been working for the last 15 years, 18 years, and I've grown with him. So our relationship it's only like, till today I feel I'm getting to know him. It's very strange, but till today I'm discovering him, which is shocking, I think.
Actually, that's the success of a relationship.
A few months ago, I was telling Karan, I said, I've just discovered this about him. And I can't believe it, that after so many years, I didn't know this about him. So I think a relationship is always growing every minute, every second.
That's a wonderful thing you've said.
Yeah, and I don't think any relationship, whether it's a child with a mother or a father, husband, anything, it's always growing every minute, whether it's...
It can't stagnate. The moment it stagnates, then
it's over. And that's what marriage is about.
That's true. And what about the kids? How do they react to this father who's in the paper every single day and saying something wilder than the last
But right now they're not looking at the papers, and they're not watching TV, like the news and stuff. Actually, they should be, but they're still small and still young. So, yes, of course, they're aware of
How old are they?
Aryan is 11 and Suhana is 8.
You come from a Punjabi background. Shah Rukh comes from a Muslim background. So how do these different faiths mix?
When there's
children.
Diwali, I lead the function, the puja. I lead and the family follows. And on Eid, I think Shah Rukh would lead and we would follow. And I think it's all very beautiful, and the kids accept. In fact, my children are more inclined towards whatever Shah Rukh would say, because, but of course, for them, Diwali, Eid,
it's all the same.
All is fantastic.
It's absolutely wonderful. As parents, we tend to forget our own history sometimes. What if Suhana comes with an out-of-work, struggling actor and says, Mom and Dad, I want to marry him?
Shah Rukh would catch hold of him and make him sit and bore him to death. He would ask him so many questions and teach him how to act, and he would get fed up and run away.
He'd become a headmaster.
I think he would just get fed up and say, oh, this person.
And what if Aryan got a wannabe actress?
Oh, that's a tough one. I don't even want to think or go there right now.
You say, gold digger, get her out of here. No.
I don't know. I think I would have to accept whatever my son wants to do. I mean, whoever he wants to marry. Right now, I know it's very easy to say it, but I would accept, it would be.
You are considered one of the most luckiest women in Bollywood because your man is completely faithful to you. What's the secret?
What should I say? Or is he hiding a few things which we don't know about?
Has he given you any diamonds recently, unexpectedly?
Or does he keep secrets well? No, there is no secret behind it. I think...
It's you. You do you have the magic wand in your hand. Obviously, he loves you.
I would like to believe that.
Perfect. We believe you. We asked some of your friends. Your friends want to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
And here they are. You're going to have to answer them.
Gauri, I hope you're having a great time at the show. Now, my question to you is that if you were marooned on an island, if you were stranded on an island, who would you rather have with you, me or your husband?
You, Karan. Absolutely. There's no choice here. Absolutely you.
And why?
Because Karan would always keep me entertained, like 24/7. It would be like watching a film,
So what, we'll be gossiping about people, starting a rumor?
Including my husband. He'd be the first one we'll attack.
And I think we have another question.
Gauri, this is a question for you. It always amazes me. How do you manage to cook so many dishes whenever there's a party? And I know that there's so many vegetarian, non-vegetarian dishes, and you must be slaving the whole day in the kitchen cooking for us. And after such a hectic lifestyle and looking after the children and then getting ready and looking so glamorous, how do you manage to cook all these dishes I want to cook?
एक्चुअली मुझे बचपन से ही दाल सब्जी आलू गोभी बहुत शौक था
बनाने का।
बैंगन अपने हाथों से आटा गूंदना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है सो फारा that's my answer.
Is Farah cook at all? Or she doesn't know how to fry an egg?
No. Farah and myself, we had a cooking, like a dessert making competition once. And she came with this really fancy dessert, which is like a mousse and this and that. And what I did was I got hold of 3-4 other dishes from everywhere, like desserts, and made it so beautiful and glamorous that I won the prize. So she was fuming and she said, like, how can you do this? So I said, well, I wanted to get the first prize.
You know, your friends, a lot of your friends say, you know, Gauri is incredibly chilled. She just doesn't give a damn. Is that true?
I give a damn about myself.
Absolutely. You look fantastic. You have to give a damn about yourself.
Yeah.
And
no, it's just my nature, I guess.
we're going to get to a wonderful segment now, which is Hooked, Booked and Cooked. Who hooked who?
Okay.
Between the two of you. Who
Is there a question?
Okay, he hooked you. And who booked? He booked.
Yeah.
And who's getting cooked?
You can ask him that.